Good afternoon, team. Hope you're doing well. Today is a bittersweet day for me. It's actually my very last day to be physically on park on a daily basis here at the site. I am officially moving to the corporate office. I don't actually have a desk or an office yet. I'm gonna home in a cubicle for now, but I need to get over there and start doing my work over there. As you can see, we've taken the fence down. The river's already been drained. Unfortunately, we were kind of in a rush to get it done, so I wasn't able to get video for it, so I do apologize for that. When we work on getting the wave pool drained, I'll get a video of that all set up, and then over there, the tower on that side, we can work on that. I'm gonna make sure that they let me know when the schedule is. Doesn't mean, like I said, doesn't, you know, I'm not gonna be on park daily, but that doesn't mean I'm not gonna be at the park often. I'm trying to get to the parks at least once a month, or excuse me, not once a month. Houston and Austin, I'm trying to get there at least once a week during the off season, if not more often. Especially for a lot of the projects that are going on. I'll be at this site here in Houston because we are doing this project here, which you can see here, all the slide pieces right here. We are working that project. We should be starting here in the next 2 weeks. That land bridge, if y'all remember, I'm gonna put a video in the corner here for you. You're going to see where we had put a temporary bridge here. We are gonna do that again. We do have a we're not going to be the general contractor for this project. We're actually having a third party coming in to do that, which is good, because as much as I know about construction, it's nowhere near as enough that we're gonna for this is pretty intense. There's a lot that needs to happen, so that's why this is drained. We're getting ready to put the bridge in. That's why all this is gone. We'll be ready to move this in. It looks like they're actually going to build a drive through here, remove all the slides, get them over into this area, but we're going to put it right into there. That reminds me, I need to possibly get rid of this fence. I don't need it no more. So anyway, and we need to cut the guard. Ooh, look how bad the grass is. Anyway, okay, so today what I want to show you is, since we're in winterization mode, we don't really want the water to stay in these pipes. So if you think about it, this is a 12-inch pipe. I have to do the math, but I do believe it's 30,000 pounds of water basically sitting there. Here, you know what, let me look. Just did a little bit of back envelope using my calculator on my phone. So this 12-inch pipe, I was pegging this at around 62 feet. That's roughly 3,000 pounds of water. So all of that is sitting there, right? Plus we have all the water that's in the pipes this way and this way and that way, blah, 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 blah. All right, so we don't want any of that staying there, especially during the winter, because if we have any freeze, it's going to bust all that stuff. So we're actually I'm going to show you how to drain. I'm going to show how we drain these out. We don't have the drain cock here. We have the drain cock down over here. So I'll show you in the pump house, which there's some positive and negatives to it. But all right, let's get into the pump house. Alrighty, here we go. We are now in the pump house. As you can see, we've winterized the TOTS pad, splash pad already, just because we don't need the splash pad. Plus we're going to be a little bit of the construction on there, so we don't want anything in the pipes. Let's see, you can see the tank's already drained here, right? Splash pad. Catch basket here has already been opened and drained, and you see the filter has already been drained as well. There's really no reason to keep water in the filter, so we just drain them. And this gives us a chance to look inside, make sure that the filter itself's in good shape. Now, like I said, this is for splash pad. What is that noise? All the valves have been opened to let water release. Now we can actually bring water back from the splash pad too. Oh, look, see, it's open. So this is the return to the splash pad that sends it to all the toys. It's actually already been open. Oh man. Well, the guys have been doing way ahead of me already. So I was wondering, it sounded hollow. So these are the two feeders. I'm gonna see if the other pool has any water in it, but these are the two feeders, and to the top of the mat racer, this one and this one, right? 245s if I'm not mistaken. Let me see, what are those? Those are 40s. Anyway, well, they've already drained them. You can see the drain valve is already open. Why? Something's turning on and off over there for some reason. All right, here's the filter for the wave pool, or for the lazy river, one of them at least. You can see it's already been hand washed, which is good. So this is what the bottom of the tube looks like. It still needs a little bit of cleaning, but this is what the bottom of the tube looks like. And then it goes all the way to the top. All right, it's already shut off. All this equipment's off and been drained. See, this is drained. This has been drained. We don't want any water, as little water as possible, to be inside of these pipes, because if not, good chance of freezing over and cracking everything. Okay, see, this is all drained out. I got a little water still sitting in there, but here's the surge pit for the lazy river. Yeah, you can already see we got some green sitting at the bottom. But yeah, these are all the drains coming back this way, and then of course this is all the suction. These big pipes are the suction. Yeah, wow, they've already did everything. Crazy, these guys are on it, man. Guys are on it. Okay, here's the backside filter. So again, this is a lazy river filter as well. Yeah, looking good actually. Tube's looking good shape. They're not torn. They're not excessively stretched. That's good to see. So right now, let's see. I don't believe that yeah, it sounds like the boot is down. So a lot of people have trouble with these spinning them. And what you have to look for is that the bump boot is down. All right, so let's see. All right, see the bump boot? Right there. The bump boot is now down, right? So when the bump boot's down, it's not locked in place, and we can spin this. So easy way to do it is to get a good grasp in the back and then pull. You can actually hear it. Now it's a little tough because I'm not doing it right, because I'm trying to do the camera as well. There we go, I got it. Okay, it does work better when there's a little lubrosity, and that'd be the water, right? That hurt my shoulder there. Anyway, that's how you do that. Gotta let all the air out of the filter. So anyway, that's what we're looking at there. All right, let's go to the next pump house, see if they've already drained it. Hopefully not. Well, team, let's walk the lazy river. Why not? It's dry. I haven't got to walk it anyway, so walking to the other pump house. So what we have here, if you haven't seen it, those are the suction side of the river motivators. There's one of the river motivators right there. Right, water goes, hold on, let me see if I can do this. Water goes in through here, right there, and then it goes out this injector right here. So I've got 16 of those that go around the entire pool. And of course it's got a bunch of lights. There's another motivator right there. Okay. All right. Let's see. Got a little bit of a bird bath right here, nothing too crazy. And the water flow comes this way, by the way. Wait. No, I got it wrong. Water's going that way. How crazy am I? Okay, so there's the top of the mat racer, right? The mat racer run out stops right here. And then it spits out the water right here. Water comes out because it comes from the surge pit of the mat racer, right? Too easy, too easy. Here's another one of these river motivators. I can show you what it looks like on the inside. So this is the suction side, and then there's one of the injectors, and that's what it looks like on the inside. All right, too easy, too easy. Okay, man, I love this tree. Love this tree. Aha! Aha! We're in the pump house now for the Rain Fortress feature that's sitting over there. And the surge pit should be nice and full and clear. Yeah, look how pretty she is. Nice. Looking good, looking good. Okay, so for us to winterize this one, the way it occurred, so these, we call these stub ups. So all these stubs, every one of these stubs goes to a part of the section. Whoops. Oh, you can't really tell. Okay, but the attraction's over there. So the kids attraction. And simply, see the ball cock right here? Turn that on, turn them all on. And that's it. That's how I winterize this attraction. Very simple. Again, like we did with the other ones, we'll drain the river, or we'll drain the filter, drain all the pipes, open up all the catch baskets. That'll be done soon. Once we drain this attraction fully, we're leaving up for an event, small event. We don't really need everything to run. We just need the bucket to run. It's kind of like a show. Anyway, we're keeping it up for that, but you're still manning it. Make sure the chemical, it's chemically sound and everything like that, and filtered and all that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You can see this one's already dying down, so there wasn't much water left in it. But so those are those two pumps. We got two pumps over here and got two pumps over here. Same thing. These are actually for the slides themselves. Yeah. Now these motors are TEFC, total enclosed fan cooled. Although we don't want a lot of water on them, it's not going to really hurt them to be getting water like this on them, especially for it not being too long. It's not really pressurized. It's just like if they're getting rained on. I'm not worried about these. It's not going to hurt the motors. Let's put it that way. All right. Well, anyway, team, thanks for joining me on this one. See you on the next one. Take care.